Hey, okay, okay. So yeah, initially I didn't feel like making this video was important and anything, so I just made this project right now. But currently, after making it, I've just realized might as well share it. Yeah? Okay. So yeah, first of all, it's all about this. Okay, I usually use this plate here from Manfrotto, this one here, and I put my quick release plate on top. That way I can put on my camera quite easily with this one. This is from Peak Design. I can just put my camera there and I can use an Arca clamp for it. But yeah, I've been using this for a while, and I'm doing videos, I'm doing weddings, I use this one also. But as of now, I just got this tiny gimbal, I mean, not gimbal, tiny fluid head from Manfrotto. It's be free. Got it from DigiDirect. Thanks very much, Mark. Yeah, so I just got this one here, and the top part is a bit small, this one here. So if you put this plate, let me just put this tape. If you put this plate on top of it, there you go, it's gonna look like that. So yeah, you see this, it's protruding, and you can see it's too long. And yeah, so I was thinking I might as well try to modify the plate, because at the same time I have this old fluid head that I have here, which is this big one here, this fluid. And when I put the same plate on, so yeah, put the same plate on it, and then you can see it's coming out. Let me just, okay, here it is. So when I put this one here at the very tip, it's gonna come out here. So, but I usually use this one here, this quick release format plate. So yeah, it's kind of long. So I've decided to modify it, and yeah, this is what I did. Let me just remove it first. So what I did was, yeah, you have this plate here. I cut that part there, and it resulted to this. Look at that. I just cut the tip and placed this. So you see it's gone smaller. It's from, where did I put that plate? It's from this plate, I mean from this plate here to this one. So this one's a bit shorter. And when I put it on this new fluid head that I have, which is not the best one in the world, but it's for travel and handy stuff, travel handy. And I use it for travel and like gigs wherein I needed a light setup. So I just use this. So look at what happened to the plate. So as you can see, it's just the right one. So yeah, I cut that plate here. I forgot the name of this plate. I don't remember names. So, and for this old head that I have, fluid head that I have, which is so massive, I put this one in. Where did I put that shit? Here. And oh, let me use two hands. So there you go. So yeah, so simply what I did was just cut this plate and did the grind the tip, and yeah, of course I placed this one up here. So it's just this one, it's just this one that I cut to this size. So yeah, it's tiny, I like it. Just posted it for you guys to see. Anyway, it's just simple cut. You just measure, put this plate up here. If you're using this plate, this quick release plate, put it on top there, and then just mark it and then grind it or cut it. So I just cut it. See you next time.